Welcome to Cosmos, the first and only reporting, analytics, and data management solution that was born in the cloud and built specifically for Microsoft Business Central. Cosmos was founded by industry veterans with more than 35 years of experience, helping users eliminate the technical complexities associated with reporting in the Microsoft ERP space. Cosmos provides users with a platform for immediate, secure data access, saving you time and allowing you to make data-driven decisions from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Our users love Cosmos because it lets them focus on the big picture and spend less time manually crunching data in Excel. With Cosmos, reports are easy to create, lightning fast, and the burden of on-premise system upkeep is non-existent. Whether you're looking for core financials, operational reports, robust dashboards, or all of the above, Cosmos has you covered.